We think we've got it all figured out. And you need to shake that confidence. You need to inject some noise in the system. I write as a curious person. I was kind of a newbie to the psychedelic community, so I think that made it much more accessible to other people. I was a very reluctant psychonaut. I had 6 guided journeys, 2 ayahuasca circles, 1 LSD, 1 psilocybin, 1 5-MeO-DMT. The night before every one of these experiences was sleepless. The cautionary voice was my ego, trying to protect itself against an assault. It's a kind of death, and you fight it. If you've been properly prepared, you're going to surrender to it. As a writer, I really like to bring a variety of different lenses to a topic. If you combine science with personal experience, with history, then you begin to get a whole picture. Something's going on. The culture's ready to have this conversation. I do see these medicines as addressing some of the big problems we face as a society. The environmental crisis, which flows from our disconnection from nature, and tribalism, which flows from our disconnection from people unlike ourselves. I do think that psychedelics can teach us important things about death. Am I less frightened of death? Perhaps I am.